Ever sent money to a friend instantly using your phone? Imagine a world before that, where splitting bills or paying back a loan involved awkward conversations and lagging bank transfers. That's where Vips comes in, a revolutionary mobile payment app that's become a staple in many countries. But with such a dominant presence, a question often pops up: who's the mastermind behind Vips? The answer, like many business stories, is one of collaboration, innovation, and a surprising twist. Early days, banks joined forces. Vips wasn't the brainchild of a single tech genius. It emerged in 2015 as a joint venture between several major Norwegian banks. DNB, Sparebank 1, and several regional lenders saw the potential of mobile payments and decided to pool their resources. This collaboration created a robust infrastructure right from the start, giving Vips an edge over competitors who had to build everything from scratch. Rapid growth and market domination. By leveraging the existing customer base of these established banks, Vips quickly gained traction. The app offered a user-friendly interface, instant transfers, and the security of established financial institutions. Within a few years, Vips became the go-to app for peer-to-peer payments in Norway, boasting a user base exceeding the country's entire population. Shifting tides, enter DNB. However, the initial partnership behind Vips wasn't meant to last forever. As Vips' success grew, so did the ambitions of its parent companies. DNB, the largest bank in the consortium, saw Vips as a strategic asset, not just a collaborative effort. In 2020, DNB acquired full ownership of Vips, effectively taking complete control of the company. This move sparked controversy. Some saw it as a positive step, ensuring a clear direction for Vips' future. Others worried about a potential monopoly, fearing DNB might prioritize its own interests over those of other banks and their customers. The future of Vips. Despite the ownership change, Vips continues to dominate the Norwegian mobile payment landscape. DNB has pledged to maintain its open platform, allowing users from any bank to utilize Vips. The company is also focusing on expanding its services beyond simple money transfers, exploring bill payments and integration with online businesses. So, who owns Vips today? As of July 2024, DNB is the sole owner of Vips. This shift in ownership marks a significant chapter in the app story, raising questions about its future direction and impact on the Norwegian financial landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.